Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. I hope you had a very nice trading session yesterday. And if you are new to my channel, we have a dedicated Telegram channel for our subscribers where we discuss about possible trading opportunities, give clarification on trading ideas. You can find the links to our Telegram channel below. Please use these links to join our Telegram channel. In this video, I'm going to do daily technical analysis for British Pound JPY currency pairs. As usual, I'll start my analysis from daily time frame, then go down to the hourly time frame, then to the 30 minutes time frame, where we will analyze the trading ranges for today. These ranges will be valid from 12 to 24 hours. I'm in daily time frame now. In the daily time frame, I've already marked the support and resistance area. In the red color portion, red color area is the support area and green color areas are resistance area. And when we notice it here, presently market has a very nice, very healthy uptrend. You can notice that it went up, tested this resistance, full area resistance, then trended down and took support on this previous support where it took the uptrend. Now it's taken support, then formed a very nice triangle pattern. Triangle pattern means gathering energy to start the uptrend. That is the meaning behind the triangle pattern. And you can notice that it has started its uptrend and it is continuously on uptrend. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. So I'm in hourly time frame now. As mentioned in daily time frame, it is traveling within a channel pattern. As long as this channel pattern is not broken, we can see the uptrend to continue. So when we analyze the present movement more detailedly, we can notice that here again it is traveling within a range channel pattern. It hasn't fallen very much. It is within a range and it is actually trying to reach this support area. So it is going up, but still it is trading on a sideways in here. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. So in 30 minutes time frame also we can see it is taking support in hourly time frame channel pattern. As long as this channel pattern holds, the downtrend will not start. And here also we have a support from the daily time frame. So as long as this doesn't get breached, the downtrend will not start and the healthy uptrend will continue. Let us mark the ranges for trading today. Since it is an uptrend, I'm going to be marking the upside ranges. This is going to be the support, present support, and the resistance is going to be over here. The ranges are going to be on the upside. This is going to be the first target. It has to retrace and come back to this level. And next level is going to be at this point here. And next level on the top is going to be this level here. And next is going to be over here. So these are all the ranges on the top. Whereas on the bottom, the support is going to be over here. The market is trading within a range now. If it breaks this range, we can see a trend reversal to happen. The first support and second support, these are two supports. I'm expecting the market to take support at one of these support area and to bounce back and start its uptrend. As long as this dynamic channel from daily time frame holds, we can see the uptrend to continue. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and press that bell icon so that you can get notification on my future videos.